Hi everyone, Elliot from AutoCare here, and today I'm going to be replacing this diesel filter on this customer's Mini. So first, whilst we've got the bonnet open, we're going to check all our hoses and our pipes and make sure there's nothing else wrong with it that's going to be aggravated by the changing of this fuel filter. So then, when you're happy with that, let's crack on. First thing we're going to do is disconnect this hose from the back. You can get a special tool to do it, or you can just pinch the two tabs in with your fingers and wiggle it free like so. Then hook it up at the back so it's high so it doesn't drip out. We're going to move on to this electrical connector. It's got a tab that you lift up and then just slide off the top like so. And then it's the same sort of connector on the back for the inlet fuel hose or pipe. Just pinch that in as well and slide it off. Once they're off, all you have to do is push this tab in and wiggle it up free. Sometimes they can be a little bit stiff, but just persevere gently wiggling it up so it comes off. If you want to use a screwdriver for add a little bit of leverage, that's fine, but just be careful not to break anything. If you do, just keep wiggling it once that tab's free, it will come free. Right, now we're at the back of the van now, just so I can catch any diesel drippers coming out into this container here, but we need to remove this sensor. There's a clip here. If you lift the clip up with one finger and then very gently twist the sensor out with the screwdriver, it just pop free like that, that's it. Very gently wiggle it out. Pop that in your container to catch any diesel, and then change these seals out that should come with a new filter. Now that sensor is put back in with the new seals, it shouldn't have any leaks. Now we're just going to reinstall it in reverse order. When refitting these hoses, you want to make sure that they click into place so they don't leak and everything's sealed up properly. And they're not going to pop off over a speed bump or anything. Hit the click now. There we go. Obviously now with this new filter in, it's got air inside it, so we need to pump the fuel back around into the filter. Obviously the air doesn't burn, so if you tried running it now, it would start for a little bit then cut out and you wouldn't start it again. So you need to be able to pump the fuel into the filter and get rid of the air first. So what we're going to do is keep pumping this until it gets hard. Not all cars have this, so if yours doesn't, then I'll have to make another tutorial for you. But for this particular vehicle, we can just pump this up. If you listen very carefully, you can hear the fuel flushing around and the air in the lines clearing through. But you do have to listen very carefully, so listen now. Now with that pump gone hard, the only thing that's left to do is to start it up and see if it runs. At this point, look for leaks. If you haven't got any, just leave it idle for a bit. If it doesn't cut out, then you know that there's no air left in the system. If it does, then you probably need to reprime it. But best of luck. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and feel free to share my channel. Thanks guys, bye.